it's time now for better food. We love food here, especially in the afternoon. And there are days, most days in our house, where you just don't have time to cook a big dinner or maybe pack a lunch ahead of time, right?
That's where La Piastra comes to the rescue. They have fresh, pre-made food ready to heat up and enjoy.
Yeah, Lauren Siegel is here. She's showing us how to assemble a Tortellini Pesto Chicken Salad. So you could do this at home. Or, what the great thing is, you have family-friendly meals, and maybe you're going to a picnic. We pick it up, everything is ready to go.
Yep, and we can do it in larger quantities, but most of the meals are going to be either single serve, serving two, or family style. But we can also, this is on our catering menu, so we can make it for a crowd. But it's been so hot, so who wants to turn on their oven?
Or maybe you're going to those concerts, they have free concerts in Elizabeth Park, and you see people with these beautiful spreads.
Yeah.
You just pick this up.
So this is a delicious dish. It's super simple. You can just buy tricolor tortellini, is what we have here in the grocery store, and this is already pre-cooked, and we coated it with olive oil just so it wouldn't dry out.
Pre-cooked? You can buy it pre-cooked in the grocery store?
It's pre-cooked now
for you. Okay.
You pre-cooked it.
I pre-cooked that, so we have that ready to go. So it was just kind of simpler here. And then you're going to add a little bit of pesto. Now, the pesto sauce, again, buy in the grocery store right next to where you buy the tortellini. So this would be like a fresh tortellini, or you can buy it frozen.
I've gotten it from you before, and I can't believe how long it lasts, but that's a great thing. If you just have boring chicken at home, you put a scoop of pesto on it.
Pesto's great.
Yep. Yeah. And the pesto, if you don't use it all, you can freeze it, but you will find with pesto that it will turn a little brown because it oxidizes. So what we do is we put a little bit of lemon juice over on top of it, just to kind of prevent it from browning.
Lemon juice is the savior for all foods, it seems.
And lime juice does the same thing too. Like if you're using avocado, the same thing's going to happen with avocado. You can use lime juice for that. This is just some grated Parmesan cheese, because who doesn't love that?
Yeah.
Now you can add anything you want to this. I was thinking like roasted red peppers would be really nice, sun-dried tomatoes. We just have regular grape tomatoes that I have, and this is gonna just go in here too. And if you want a little protein, you could add grilled shrimp if you wanted to, or we just have some grilled chicken. And this is how we serve it in the store, so it's a complete meal. Like you've got everything in here. And if you wanted to add another pop of color like orange peppers or yellow peppers, that would be nice in here. Just a lot of like fresh vegetables. You can put whatever you want.
I do like you eat with your eyes, right? So you've got the multicolored tortellini, the red tomatoes, the green pesto. It's nice and colorful.
It has everything you need. So
what do you think, Dan?
You're
Let
going
me
to try
ask you, so for people who've given up pasta, is there like a vegetable substitute for the tortellini at all? Or is there a vegetable type of tortellini? Like they have zoodles for like linguine and stuff?
Zucchini noodles if you want to. The only problem with using any of the vegetable noodles is the shelf life. So
they don't last.
This is your. I'm sorry, I'm not directing you well.
So this would be right.
They don't hold well. So you'd have to do that like the day that you're going to be serving it, and they do tend to break up a little bit. So just be gentle with it as you're mixing it. But that's a great idea.
This is perfect though. If you're going, you need to bring a dish to someone's house, and it has to withstand the heat a little bit outside.
There's no mayonnaise in it.
It is really good, even though I gave up pasta. So tortellini is filled with what? Is it filled with cheese?
Yes, ricotta cheese. So ricotta, because you said Piastra so well. So let me ask you.
You can't give it up forever, Dennis, because you are Italian.
Oh,
it's really good.
What's the matter with you, huh?
I know.
What's the matter with you? So I've got a quinoa salad that we are practicing. Chef John made this, and he wanted you to try it. This is an experiment. It's got watermelon, basil, quinoa, feta, olive oil, balsamic vinegar.
I love it.
Makes the cut.
It's really good.
And if you're, I know because you need to be gluten-free, you're very sensitive to that, and you have amazing cauliflower crust pizzas, a lot of gluten-free options. So this would be gluten-free if people need that, right?
Yep, and it's a great, again, summer salad that you can serve at a picnic, outdoor concert. So watermelon feta salad makes the menu for next
think
month?
it should make the menu.
Oh, I love it a lot. This is really good. So that's where the cauliflower pizza that you brought home came from.
Yes, I got a regular one for the kids and cauliflower for us.
La Piastra.
See? You just need to know where to go.
That's right. If you can't make it, just know who to call.
And where do you go?
So we have two locations. We have one on the Silenstein Highway across from McDonald's, which is being rebuilt right now in Rocky Hill. And the other one is in Glastonbury next to Sweet Frog on Newbern Avenue.
I know what that is.
So right across from Whole Foods.
Very convenient. All right. That
was really good stuff.
Thank you so much. And if you want to place an order, maybe you're having a party at your house, or you just want to see the menu, lapiastra.com. And I know I get your emails, so you often have lots of little specials so you can sign up for.
Yes, we do.